Welcome back to Junior Pickle, and today we're going to show you what I do to save money. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like to see, just put it in the comment down below. Today we'll be changing out the pollen filter and cabin filter on a 2015 Honda Pilot with this Fram. On the back it says it takes about 15 minutes to change. I did mine in about 2 minutes. I recently also took my Honda to the dealership and they charge about $82.47 for a pollen filter replacement. You can pick up this Fram for about $27 for my vehicle. It might vary to anywhere from 27 to 34, just depends where you buy it from. I'll also leave a link in the description because you can also get them on Amazon as well. Check it out. I'll show you guys how to do this real easy. I'll set my camera up just right. You guys can, hopefully you can see that. I've taken the time to take everything out, and you should do that. Otherwise it'll be spilling all over the floor, whatever you have in your glove box. So there's two little tabs here that you just push in and it just drops it. I'll bring the camera down. Let's see if I can get a good shot of this for you guys to see. Every car has got this, the newer models anyway. Oh. There. So there's two clips on either side. You just push them in and the whole thing slides right out. As you can see, mine's just really filthy. And this only takes like seconds. I'll set the camera down here. Not a really good spot for it. You're not going to want to do the way me setting it here because you'll get all kinds of crud. And this is the Fram, it's identical. Oh yeah, you don't want to do that in here. Just like that. And they're right here. New one's out. There's like a little lip there. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, I just slide it in like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Done. There, I'm gonna set this down so I don't break it. There you go. Easy as that. Hope you liked the video. Please make a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.